Another hot afternoon on the ferry deck, and we're off to the Neil Island. So, thankfully, all the boats have a pantry installed where you can get yourself some beverages and snacks. And the first stop is Lakshmanpur Beach. And on the sides here, you can see these stalls from where you can purchase souvenirs such as pearl jewelry, conchs, and even shell trays. And some chai pakoda as well in case you get hungry at the beach. Lakshmanpur Beach is famous for its coral life and the sunset. So this gorgeous sunset viewpoint is actually at a curved part of the beach. So you see these waves going all over the place, everywhere, as opposed to just coming straight up to the shore. Making the beach look all the more endless. New day and a new adventure awaits. This time it was scuba diving. And as fun as it may look from the pictures, I was petrified. I was so scared for my life. Like, this is me. This is me. I'm scared. I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with my life. I was so sure the oxygen is going to run out and I'm going to drown and die here. Like, this is it. This is the end of my life. So, in conclusion, will I scuba dive again? Probably not. Most likely not. But, like, maybe it'll take some persuasion for sure. But if you're someone who can get over the irrational fear of oxygen running out, you might enjoy this actually. There's a lot of fish to see, there's a lot of corals to see, very colorful, very bright. Basically, somebody like my brother, so here it goes. And all of this footage is actually shot by one of the crew members. So along with your tandem diver, a camera person goes as well to record all of your scuba diving moments. Moving on, we are now headed to Lakshmanpur Beach Site 2. And here you can observe a lot of corals, dead and alive, and the life that revolves around these corals. So the water pockets that you see here around me is basically where we got to observe the corals and the fish.
टाइगर कोरल है 7-8 years चाहिए इसके 1 inch ग्रो होने के लिए। कोरल आइटम का जितना माला वगैरह मिलता है मार्केट में मैक्सिमम जो इससे बनाया जाता है बहुत हार्ड होता है, आसानी से टूटता भी नहीं है। और एक देखिए ब्लू एंड गोल्डन वाला फिश दिख रहा है सर, हाँ गोल्डन, हाँ नियॉन फिश है, रात में ग्लो करते हैं और एक नाम से भी जाना जाता है फाइंडिंग डोरी। कार्टून मूवी देखे?
हाँ जी हमने देखे।
वो नाम से भी जाना जाता है फिश को।
And another popular tourist activity here is to get your pictures clicked alongside this natural bridge, Hora Bridge. So next up is the Bharatpur beach. A little fun fact, all beaches on the Neel Island are actually named after the characters in Ramayana. Bharatpur beach hosts a variety of water sports and activities. Most of them can be done with your families or a group of friends. So, good bonding experience, you might want to try some of those out. So we went for this glass bottom boat because we had never seen anything similar in nature before. Do let me know if this is the first time you're also seeing a glass bottom boat.
हाँ ये तो है भाई।
हाँ, यहाँ पे जितना भी कोरल दिख रहा है सर, ये सब लाइव है।
अच्छा
अच्छा फिश है ना।
अच्छा, डेड नहीं है, यहाँ टच नहीं करता।
ये कोरल पे डेड नहीं है। और नीचे आपको दिखेगा
हाँ।
गिरा हुआ है जो फिंगर कोरल का,
हाँ,
वो सब डेथ है सर।
ये कैसी डेथ हो गई?
ये फिंगर कोरल सर टूट जाती है वेव्स की वजह से।
और ये पानी के टेम्परेचर से भी बहुत सेंसिटिव होते हैं। जैसे ही पानी का 1 डिग्री भी टेम्परेचर बढ़ा, ये मरना शुरू हो जाता है।
अच्छा, वो नीचे है। अरे
ये फिश का नाम है नाइट क्वीन फिश।
वो इसकी फिशिंग होती है क्या?
फिशिंग होती है सर, लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं करते।
So that pretty much wraps up Neel Island. Now we're moving back to Port Blair where we'll spend one day and then head back to Delhi. So here we're en route to our resort. The name of the resort was Princess Sea. So it's a gorgeous, beautiful property. However, one issue with it is that it's very, very far from the airport. It was an easy 1.5-2 hour ride from the jetty point to this resort. But it was kind of worth it. You're going to find out why.
धूप सेकने आना फिर आते जाते हैं।
इतनी गर्मी में कोई धूप सेकने नहीं आता crocodile।
So there's quite some discussion around crocodiles in this clip and you just figure out why.
नहीं, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगता कि तू crocodile को हरा सकता है।
And the reason is, so here it says beware of the crocodiles and that's why we were discussing whether or not तनु crocodile को हरा सकता है, which for the record I think नहीं हरा सकता है. Now along with this private beach, these tall giant coconut trees and the great food, the rooms were pretty amazing too. I mean, just take a look at the size of our balconies. And that's it folks, that's all from the Andaman series. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe. I'll probably be back with another annoying facts video soon. See ya!